Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have a Google account with two-step verification. This secures API access and advanced features. Once signed in, open Gemini in the browser or Google app and pick the model capability you need: creative, coding, or dialogue. You should set language and persona options now so prompts behave predictably. Make the first prompt specific and goal-oriented, since Gemini adapts fast. This first input shapes the entire session and saves time down the line. You now build prompts that combine goal, constraints, and examples. Tell Gemini the outcome, list limits like word count or format, then show a brief example. Once done, ask for structure first, then request content. This two-step sequence reduces rewrites. Make use of system or instruction messages to lock tone, role, or output type, and iterate by pasting Gemini output back with precise edits. This chaining method yields consistent, high-quality responses for complex tasks. You finish by validating Gemini's output against your checklist: accuracy, tone, and format. If it misses the mark, ask for a revision with specific lines to change and why. This focused feedback leads to fast improvements. Make sure to adjust temperature or verbosity to control creativity. If responses go off track, simplify the prompt, reduce scope, and add one explicit constraint that often resolves hallucinations or irrelevant content quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.